Okay, here we go. This is extreme hydrogen. And here we're looking at our plate system. +1, -2, +3, 4, so on and so forth. I'm going to try and do this. I'm not real good at this phone, or not phone stuff, but this camera recording stuff. We're going to do our best. We'll take a plate. It goes on like so. On like so. On like so. Which we produce a stack up. Okay. And yeah, these are cut a little rough. This is, I believe, 604 stainless, very hard, very tough to cut. Burns drill bits up, and then I have to start doing like a plasma cut on these. We use these little washers right here, which are like a polyurethane. And then we use, well, these are nylon. I'm sorry, that's nylon washers. This is nylon bolt. Go through to hold this whole system together. Then these here, they alternate. So you got positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. And the end result, let's get this washer off here. The end result, you have all those plates in between these two guys here. Okay, which on the top side, those bolt up to the bottom of this unit, this container. They'll come up to the top here on studs. Yep. There goes one right on the floor. So, long story short, we make hydrogen that powers the vehicle. And I'm tired of paying for gas. This plate system has already been put together, has been taken apart, modified. Yeah, there's a few extra holes, a couple little mistakes there, but this is a prototype, along with many other prototypes I've made. I tried a wire system, positive negative wire wrap, and connect on the top. I was not happy with the results. Now I've run an engine on this plate system here, and that was in a tank like this one here. Well, let's get them people's name out of the way there, because that's from a company. Taking the hydrogen out of there, and these are where the studs came through, where you put your power. Put your water in there and your electrolyte. And I'm not going to give up my electrolyte right now, because I have a few secrets on that I don't think anyone else has. I'm producing probably, I'm going to guess, over 500 milliliters per minute, which I think is damn good. And just to get an idea, it's kind of, we have just moved within the last 5-6 months, so I've been trying to set up shop again. This is our test tank. It's basically jumper cables hooked to some plates here. My voltmeter's hooked up, and then I can set pretty much whatever I want. My positive and my negative to the plate system, and then in my water bath, just to experiment with different things and different plate systems, neutral plates, non-neutral plates, da 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 da. Right there we use that meter with a thermocouple to measure water temperature, voltage. I've been using this for voltage drop, so on and so forth, when you're adding different electrolytes. for as far as amperage goes. Not too elaborate in here right now. It's getting better. A lot of stuff is still over at the other shop. Now we have a few pieces here. I got my Bridgeport here recently, so we're gonna get back up and running here. But so far so good. I'm going to assemble this plate system and be doing a test here in the next probably couple hours. It's going to take me to put this back together the way I want it and the spacing on the plates. But again, and I don't even know if I said it, this is just what I'm doing. I don't recommend you doing it. It's your choice and your choice only, and I take no responsibility for it. It works very well for me. Anywhere from 50 to 80% gas mileage increase. You're still using gasoline, but not anywhere near what you'd be using without this system. And I'm going to cover up the name here, but this would be Extreme Hydrogen. And it's a very, very simple system. We have a flush valve that comes off. There's our output. Our tube, of course. Our bottom piece, which has a drain. Because you do have to flush it once in a while. It does get kind of nasty. And then we got a magnetic helix. I can't even pronounce it. Gauge. Reads pressure. You get a few pounds of pressure out of it. Other than that, so far so good. How do you stop this camera, Don?